Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to lock down your Instagram profile by making it private. If you want to control who sees your posts, stories, and personal updates, this quick guide will walk you through the updated steps for 2024 and 2025. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Whether you're on iPhone or Android, the process is the same. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon. Tap it. This takes you straight to your personal profile page, where all your posts and highlights live. Now, glance up at the top right corner. See those 3 horizontal lines stacked like a menu? Tap them. This opens a sidebar with options like Settings, Activity, and more. Scroll down slightly until you spot the word Settings. Give it a quick tap. Inside Settings, you'll find a section labeled Privacy. Tap it, and you'll see options like Interactions, Messages, and Account Privacy. We're focusing on the last one, Account Privacy. Tap it, and you'll land on a screen with a toggle switch at the very top. This is where the magic happens. The toggle next to Private Account is your key to privacy. If it's off, grayed out, your profile is public. Tap it to turn it on, it'll turn blue, and instantly your account becomes private. From this moment on, only people you approve can follow you, see your posts, or view your stories. A quick heads up, existing followers will still have access unless you remove them. If you're switching from a business or creator account, Instagram will remind you that some features like Insights will disappear. But for privacy, it's worth it. Once you flip that switch, you're done. Your profile will now show a lock icon next to your username, signaling it's private. New followers will need to send requests, which you can approve or ignore. And that's it. 5 simple steps to take control of your Instagram privacy. Whether you're sharing family moments or just prefer a smaller circle, keeping your account private ensures your content stays with the people you trust. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.